Hello, welcome to another day of class. Today, in your spelling class, we are going to work in the activities of book page 32 and 33. So, today is Friday, July 21st, 2020, and we are going to work on the exercises on book page 32 and 33. Let's go to work with exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Okay, so exercise number 1 says time to rhyme. Book page 32. Time to rhyme. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you have here some words. The words that are in color blue are the words that you have here. And the words that are in color pink are the words that you are going to write, because those are the words that has the same rhyme or the same sound of the word that you have here. For example, the word pickle, which is the word that has the same sound or has a rhyme with the word pickle. Tickle, yes, very good. Pickle with tickle. Kitten. Kitten. Which one is the word that has a rhyme with kitten? Written. Yes, very good. Or for example, buckle. Buckle. Knuckle. Yes, so you are going to work like that on the exercise number 1. Then, exercise number 2. Super sentence. So, you're going to write a sentence using the word trophy. This word is the word that you're going to use. The word trophy. So here I have 3 different options for you. Okay, let me check another color. So, I have here 3 different options, and you can use whatever of the 3 different options in the part of the super sentence. A sentence using the word trophy. Very good. Then, exercise number 3. Now we're going to work on page 33. We were in page 32 and now we're going to continue on page 33. Exercise number 3. Spelling scramble. What you're going to do here is that you're going to order the words. For example, fotri. Fotri. Which one is the word fotri? The word trophy. So you're going to order the letters in a correct way, and then you're going to have one word. Falling. Falling. The correct word is the word dolphin. If you put in a correct order each letter, you're going to have the word dolphin. Very good. Then, we're going to continue with exercise number 4 on the same page. Exercise 4. Spelling groups. What you're going to do here is that you're going to write on this side, on the right side, you're going to write a word that has like a meaning, the meaning of or the relation with the rest of the words. So the words are game, ball, and bat. Which word from your list is a word that has a relation with all those words? Picture, very good, excellent. And then, award, prize, and medal. Trophy, yes. So you have to find the word that has the correct relation with the groups of words. The next exercise, exercise number 5, spelling, hints for spelling. Here we are. So, you are going to join with a line the word with the correct hint. For example, the number one is frequent. Frequent. The letter Q travels with an U. Why? Because here, letter Q and letter U, they are always together. So, frequent, letter Q travels with an U. Then, childhood. CH usually makes the chi sound. Childhood here, this one. And then, deliveries. Change the Y to I and add ES. When we are changing into plural, the nouns that ends in letter Y, we add letter E and we add ES. We add letter I, and we add ES. And the last one, listen. The word that has a silent letter, listen. Which one is the silent letter? The letter T. Very good. Excellent. Then, exercise number 6. Exercise number 6. The last exercise. You're going to use in the last exercise the words from word 21 to word 23. The vocabulary builder. From word 21 to word 23. And you're going to write there the correct word. For example, come before the Lord with a reverent attitude. What is the meaning of the word reverent? Showing respect. Very good. So that was basically everything what you have to do. Then after you finish, please repeat one by one each one of the words verbally, saying the words. And that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe. And see you until next class. Bye-bye and I love you.